Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about a very useful plugin in OBS Studio which is called Move. Let's see what it does. So Move is a plugin that you can add to OBS Studio that can be added and used for transitions. So let's see how it works. First, after you install it, you can add it to your OBS Studio. You won't find it here. You click on this add and you will find Move. Add this Move. You can add one more, or you can just leave the first one. Right now I have one here. So let's start by this Move. Click on here and go to properties. Let's set everything to default. Now let's say we have this image here. Let's say this is our webcam and we want our webcam to change from the first scene to go to other position in the second, to go to a different position in the third scene. This is our image. So just by having this here and having the move transition on, let's see if it's cut, it's going to move like this, just a cut. But if you want to have it to move and to be shown on the preview, change this from cut to move, and the settings, defaults, let's see how the defaults work, and go to scene 2. You see how it works? It moves from here to here and stretch. If the size is different, it's going to stretch and it's going to change. Let's go to the third scene. It's different here right now. So it's like keyframing in OBS Studio, where you move this thing or your webcam from here to here to here. You can also change some settings. If you want to make it faster, change this to 100 millisecond. Let's see this. It's now much faster. Let's make it 3 for now. It's now a different movement, kinda different. But this is how it works. So guys, that's it about Move transition. What we have seen now is just the basics of it and how to use it. So that's everything for this video. See you in the next one.